Okay, so let's just take a quick walkthrough of setting your site up to auto post every time that you make a post that it's going to go out to hundreds of sites. So the first place I come into is Onlywire. Before I do that though, I want to make sure that the feed is working okay, because what we're doing is basically we're submitting our RSS feed. So I can come over here where it says feeds, and it allows me to add a feed URL in here. Now typically with WordPress you will have your domain name /feed and a / again, okay, and that should be it should look like this. If it's looking like this, then you know it's okay. So basically I can just copy this. Now sometimes because it's got that / at the end, it might not work and you have to resubmit it, but that's alright. And what we do is we just come over here. If it doesn't work because of that, then all we need to do is take that / over away at the end, okay. And tags we can put in here. And here we'll just click all, and as long as your account is set up, it's going to be posting to all of these places at one time. So you can see it's got quite a lot in here. Now I ordered I think 3 ping.fm and 3 Onlywire accounts yesterday, and you can get them done for about $5. One guy was doing 3 ping.fm accounts for me for $5. I think they've got some kind of account creators, and that's fine for me as long as they work. I don't really care. I don't want to be doing that kind of job, and neither should you really. You've got to value your time more than that $5, because it's just time consuming to get this kind of stuff done. And you can get 3 Onlywire accounts or two for $5 and stuff like that. And same with ping.fm, with Hellotxt, with Postgres, whole bunch of them, all those kind of sites. And they're really good things to have, because if you can just set your RSS feed URLs with these, then you got instant backlinks. It's just such a good thing to do. Okay, so I'm just going to put some keywords in here. Just grab some keyword ideas from here. E-liquid is one. Yeah, that'll do. Don't need to overdo it too much. And for the category, choose something that is kind of relevant if you possibly can. I'm just going to keep it under business for this one. It's usually faster than this, but because I've got Camtasia working in the background here, it's just processing, rendering the last video that I did while I'm recording this one, so it's slowing me down a little bit. I'll just pause it until this is done. There we go. So success, it's been done, and it's just as simple as that. So I can log out. And I can log back in again with a different account and do exactly the same thing again. So that's 44, and plus another 44 is 88 instant backlinks. So you can see the power of that once it gets all set up. Come into this one, and we can just click here. If you want to check if they've done the job properly for you, just click on here where it says services, and you can see all the accounts. Some need to be activated, which I need to do really. I'll do that in a few minutes, but first I'll just finish off here. I'm going to do exactly the same thing as I did before, and just come over here to feeds. Add here. Yeah, it's not going to let me do it because it's in one account. I've already got an account now. So what I can do here is I can create a different I've never had that problem before. Maybe I've just never done it twice with Onlywire. Maybe it's a new thing, I'm not sure. I don't recall having this problem before. Let's just wait and see. I'll try it. I'll just keep going and see if it will work. Try and post in a different category. Okay, so surprisingly that one actually worked, so that's good. So I can go and add more of these. That's good. So I will wait for the other Onlywire accounts to get created, and you know, if you add 5 or 6 of these, and you can see the power of this system, how it can work for you. And it's a ping.fm is a similar thing. You can see I'm logged in here. This is one of my sort of main accounts, but you can see the social networks that it's posting to. There's a whole bunch of them down here, and we can add some more as well. Now I've got several ping.fm. I think I've got about 10 when I get these 3 back tomorrow that I can use, that I've got kind of spare. What I tend to do is create a whole bunch of these and just get as many sites posting to them as possible. So anyway, in ping.fm what we can do is we can come in the dashboard here, just make sure that you've got some accounts in here if you ordered it from anybody on Fiverr.com, and click on RSS feeds, and all we need to do is just take this again, put /feed, and I'll do the / again, add the feed, add it. Okay, so that's done. I can log out and try this one here. That one is added. This one. Just make sure you've got accounts down there on the left hand side. That one added. So that's ping.fm, and what we can do next is go over to Hootsuite. So we'll go over to hootsuite.com and click on the login. That needs an email. Let me just try that again. Okay, so what I need to do here is find where I can add the RSS feed. Let's go into settings, go to RSS, and you can see I've got some feeds added already here, so I can add a new one. Just make sure you click in here where you want it to go to, so it will go to all of these, and check this feed every 24 hours is good, and when new posts are found, to send one at a time, include text, and we can put in here new blog post. That's fine, just save the feed. Right, so this only allows me for one Hootsuite account only 2 RSS feeds, and I can upgrade to Pro for $5.99 a month. I'm probably going to do that, but I won't do it right now, but that's how it's set up. Another one that we can try is Hellotxt. Okay, with Hellotxt, I noticed that they've got an actual plugin here, and you can do stuff as well, the pixel pipe, and you know, you get blogs RSS feed as well, but you know, I don't recall doing this one before, so I need to go and check out. Maybe I need to find a YouTube video on how to do it, but I did find a WordPress plugin here. The plugin you can find in here, just go into the dashboard and then go to the tools section, and you can see tools and plugins here, and just download that. Now what I've done that and I've uploaded it. Now what I need to do is take this user key, and I've uploaded it, I've just activated the plugin, put this in here, and save the changes, and that should post to all the Hellotxt ones as well.